took me about 2 months to get 95% of this roof done. I was working most of the days at least 2 hours on the roof. Many days 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. It was a really simple work to be true to do and really meditative. I quite enjoyed it. And then there was a day when I had the opposite side completely ready because I wanted it to be ready to be able to install solar panels. It was completely ready. And then this side was almost ready. I only had 3 lines left on the side, and the middle line between these 2 parts also needed to be done. And I had my roof almost repaired. My roof wasn't leaking. It looked good. It was clean. It was ready. It was beautiful.